What is vinegar really?
Vinegar is more than a kitchen staple. It's a solution made mostly of water and acetic acid, which gives it a distinctive sour taste and strong smell. The acetic acid usually makes up about 4 to 7% of vinegar, setting the stage for its impressive cleaning abilities around the house.
Acid power, breaking down stains.
The cleaning magic of vinegar comes from its acetic acid content. This acid dissolves mineral deposits, dirt, and grime by breaking down the bonds holding them to surfaces. That's why vinegar easily tackles limescale, soap scum, and even light rust, making it a go-to for kitchens and bathrooms.
A natural disinfectant.
Vinegar's acidity doesn't just clean, it also helps to disinfect. The low pH can destroy or deactivate many types of bacteria and some viruses. While it isn't as strong as commercial disinfectants, using vinegar still provides a natural way to reduce everyday germs on countertops and doorknobs.
Why vinegar works well on stains.
Acetic acid can loosen and dissolve residues that would otherwise cling to surfaces. This makes vinegar especially effective on organic stains like coffee, wine, and tea. It can also neutralize odors by reacting with alkaline molecules in the air, leaving your space feeling fresher after cleaning.
When vinegar doesn't work.
Vinegar isn't perfect for every cleaning job. Its acid can damage natural stone, such as marble or granite, and shouldn't be used with bleach, as this creates harmful fumes. Always spot test surfaces before using vinegar, and follow safe cleaning practices for the best whisk-free results.